and swing now. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, now assume the position with your little birdie feathers in the air. Wada, 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 wada. Swing your partner. That they're doing pretty good. Make noise if your birthday boy or girl are the best chicken dancer of all. Okay, audience, we're going to do it one more time, professional speed. This time, the audience has to yell, "We love this shit." I know you know how to do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We love it. We love this shit. All y'all, all y'all, birthday here, all y'all, happy birthday to you. Don't forget some tonight. Don't forget some tonight. Don't forget some cake and ice cream. Don't forget some tonight. And if you're a girl, don't forget a big dick too. Don't forget a big dick too. Don't forget a real big penis. Don't forget some tonight. And if you're a man, don't forget 4 girls tonight. Don't forget 4 girls tonight. Don't forget 4 girls tonight. Happy birthday to you. Let's hear it for all the birthday boys and girls tonight here at House Band. Make noise for your birthday boy or girl who made it to the stage tonight. And God bless you, Jeff.